Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I am Bhanu Nigam and in today's video I will demonstrate how to perform a Wi-Fi password crack using a dictionary attack with built-in Kali Linux tool Fern Wi-Fi Cracker. To begin, launch your Kali Linux machine, which can be a virtual machine or a bare metal installation. I am currently running Kali Linux on bare metal. If you are using a virtual machine, ensure you have a compatible Wi-Fi adapter that supports monitor mode and packet injection. My laptop's integrated Wi-Fi adapter supports these features, but if you need to purchase an external adapter, I have included links to recommended models in the video description below. Before we proceed, I must clearly state that I am performing this demonstration on my own Wi-Fi hotspot, for which I have full permission. It is crucial that you only perform these actions on networks you are authorized to test. Unauthorized access to computer systems and networks is illegal and unethical. First, let's verify your Kali Linux version. You can do this by opening a terminal and entering either cat/etc/os-release or if you prefer uname-a. Now search for and launch the Fern Wi-Fi Cracker application. When prompted, enter your password. In my example, the password is Kali. Fern may ask if you prefer to download a professional version. Simply select No to proceed. Within the Fern interface, select your wireless interface. Mine is WLAN 0. If your interface isn't displayed, use the refresh button next to the selection box. You may see some initial tips. Click OK to dismiss them. Next, wait for the status line to display monitor mode enabled on WLAN 0 mode. Double click on the channel selection area to choose which channel Fern will scan. For this demonstration, I will select all channels. Scanning for access points and targeting. Initiate the scan for wireless access points by clicking the designated button. In this example, Fern has identified 22 access points. Click on this number to view the list. From the list, select your target access point. You will see detailed information about it. For this demonstration, I will choose a regular attack. Now, you will need to browse your word list. I am using the RockU word list which comes pre-installed with the Kali Linux. However, it's typically compressed and need to be extracted to a .txt format before use. If you need instruction on how to extract it, please refer to my previous video where I perform a similar attack using AirMonNG. Next, select the connected clients from the list. Fern will now attempt to deauthenticate the selected client. The goal here is to capture the WPA2 four-way handshake when the client attempts to reconnect. Click the Wi-Fi attack button and allow the Fern to perform the hard work. The client will disconnect from the network and then try to reconnect, providing the opportunity to capture the handshake. Once the handshake is captured, Fern will automatically initiate the dictionary attack. Upon successful completion, the password will be displayed. This is the password for the access point we targeted. Close the current window. If you navigate to the key database section within Fern, you will find the recovery key stored for future references. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide on using Fern Wi-Fi Cracker has been informative. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below.